Hi everyone, it's Kathleen. The Sarbanes Oxley Act, or SOX, was passed by Congress in 2002, and it came on the heels of certain corporate debacles and wrongdoing involving such corporations, publicly traded companies as Tyco, WorldCom, Enron, organizations that, from all appearances, were healthy, were profitable, were viable. And the way things work in this country is that investors, shareholders, are owners, partial owners of these companies through the shares of stock that they purchase. And many investors will evaluate, will conduct some due diligence, will look at the filings that the corporation has submitted to the Securities and Exchange Commission, amongst other things, to make an investment determination. They're going to rely on those documents. I mean, who wants to invest their hard-earned money in companies that are not viable? These companies appeared to be viable, but they were not. They went under. They appeared to be, on the documents, profitable organizations, healthy organizations, but the accounting books were cooked, and there was a lot of internal wrongdoing. The management had a fiduciary obligation to the shareholders, but what they did is some members of management looted the organizations, made loans to themselves, and took money that they alleged were for the benefit of the business and used it on themselves. And the companies went under. So Congress, in order to restore shareholder and investor confidence, passed SOX. And the world changed since then. There's all sorts of requirements and mandates that organizations must comply with in their filing. And one of the most important aspects of Sarbanes-Oxley is Section 806. What is SOX 806? This is the Whistleblower Protection section of the statute. And who better to be able to blow the whistle and raise the red flag if the company's assets are being misappropriated than people on the inside, the employees. So Congress felt the need to include 806 in the statute so that if any employee had a reasonable belief of wrongdoing, and if they raised the red flag, blew the whistle, there would be protection against any retaliation. So let's just say an employee has a good faith belief that there's some wrongdoing, some shenanigans that are going on within the organization, and they blow the whistle. If they're fired for doing so, SOX 806 is going to provide a remedy. SOX 806 is administered and enforced by not the Securities and Exchange Commission, as you might think, but the Department of Labor, the United States Department of Labor. So if any employee of a publicly traded company wants to learn more about SOX 806 and its protections, go to www.dol.gov. This is Kathleen Bonzik. Thank you very much for watching and listening today.